Never lose track of your working days. Learn how to properly set your machine counters. To access the counters of your ideal, from the terminal main menu, click twice on the notepad icon on the right side of your screen, and then on the calculator icon. You will access now to the onboard computer main page. The onboard computer page is a suite in which you can find a total of 10 independent counters that you can set when needed and 4 counters that are always recording the information of the combine: the lifetime counter, the bin counter, the task controller counter, and the header counter. Move between the different counters by clicking on the calculator icon to move the counter up or down. To erase completely your set counter, just click on the 0.0 icon and the recorded information will disappear. The next icons are a calculator and the Info Plus link. Select the Info Plus icon to link your current counter in the harvest data of the Info Plus suite. Each counter has 2 main data pages that you can visualize: machine information and crop information. To switch between the 2 main pages, just click on the arrow icon on the bottom right corner of your terminal. Of course, you can freely label your counter as you prefer. Just click on the box on the top of your screen and type the counter name you prefer, then confirm. To activate your chosen counter, just click on the icon on the right of the name box and the counter will automatically start to work in the background. You can also activate more counters at the same time.